So we've been in Thailand for how long now?
I don't know, like 3 weeks?
Yeah, a while. And we have accumulated a pile of laundry. So today's mission is gonna be go do our laundry. Hopefully we'll find something. Everywhere here, there's people that do laundry. You pretty much just give it to a nice old grandma and she'll do your laundry for you and it'll be ready in a couple days. Got this little card and we just need to take this back tomorrow at 6 p.m. and all of our laundry will be ready. It's not the cheapest here because we're on an island. I think we paid a little under $10 US, so not really cheap, but it's what you gotta do. No one has their own laundry machines here at all.
So one thing that we're gonna have to remember when we're doing laundry is to make sure all our stuff is dry, because wet clothes just weigh more, and the laundry is based off weight, and to get them out of our own bags and put them in their bags. So we just it's just like the additional weight makes it cost more, so next time we'll be smarter.
Good morning, everyone. We are in our new apartment. We just spent our first night. How was the first night?
It was rough.
Yeah.
You should see Eli's face.
Oh, my face. So it was worse this morning, but it's still, you can still tell I'm swollen and I'm actually breaking out in some hives on my face. I have some hives running up my legs, on my hips and stuff. Kind of hurt to see, but I think it's still from that cashew nut I tried a while ago. But yeah, it's been 3 or 4 days and it's just getting worse and worse. But that's besides the fact. How are you doing physically, Mandy?
I got an ear infection and I was throwing up all night, so I've had better days.
Yeah, we've both had better days. And then we like the apartment, but there's, even though it's got AC, there's a decent sized gap like in the door you can see. So you can definitely hear all the noise down on the street at night. And it's pretty close to a lot of the bars and stuff, so there's scooters coming in and out for most of the night. So today, we're taking a little day off, recuperating, going to the pharmacy and picking up, or trying to find some drugs that we need. But yeah, life is life in here in Thailand. So the pharmacist just wrote up Mandy a quick prescription to antibiotics. And neither of us are a fan of antibiotics just because you really don't want to take them when you don't need them. But her ear is pretty bad and painful, and we just don't want it to get worse. So we'll take it for a little bit. Hopefully it fixes it and we can stop taking them. And then maybe even save them, because I'm sure I'll get one sooner. So we got our laundry back, and I'm missing 2 pair of shorts. What are you missing?
I'm missing a shirt, 2 bras, and a pair of socks.
And we got someone's extra socks. Yeah,
little tiny socks. Those can't even fit our feet.
So we're gonna go back and see if we can find the rest of our clothing.
We found the rest of our clothes.
So we got one more bag, and hopefully all of our stuff is in here, and we'll see what extra bonus clothing we get too. Hopefully we're the ones getting the bonus clothing and not other people getting ours. How does it smell?
Good.
Good.
Sweet. Got my socks.
Nice. Oh yeah, we didn't even think about that.
Yeah, I forgot all of my underwear I didn't have because I thought, crap, I have no underwear.
Psh, underwear is overrated.
So we're super cheap, as you guys probably already know. So the thought I had was they had this little sell table at one of the markets the other day, and it just had some really cheap laundry detergent on it. So I thought, why don't we just do our own laundry in the sink, and we've got a drying rack out on our porch thingy. And so I think that might be what we do in the future.
I like that idea. I like my frugal and cheap girlfriend. She keeps me happy and my wallet happy. What?
I finished the whole book.
So now you just gotta scuba dive a bunch more.
Now I just gotta keep diving.
How are we gonna celebrate?
Gonna go eat some noodles.
Sounds good, let's go.
There's 100 baht right there.
100 baht?
100 baht. I got so many bahts, I don't even know what to do with it.